1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello guys. So today we are once again playing PUBG Mobile. Okay. So in now here I got Miss 10. Okay, and I got DP, but I7 and M762 and Victor and M762 and I see one. Okay, I see in that shack on little shack. See that one? Yeah, I see a lot of enemy. I try to see, but there was a 4x. But so I once again get out of that 4x and my teammate knocked down one, okay, with DP, and I also try and I also knock with M416, no Victor, and I try to kill him, but yeah, that wall was going, but also my teammate killed, so I got that kill. Obviously, you can see when I was going to that railing, you can see that, yeah. Now you have seen that. Now you know I just pick up some things like these. So I jump down and I see one enemy, but I try to kill him, and you are going to see 1v2 cloths. Oh wow, that 1v2 clutch was amazing, but my teammate died. Oh man, but now I see the M416, so yeah, I obviously pick up that M416, not yet, okay, that one to right, okay. So yeah, I don't win this game, but yeah, this game was nice. I tried to get a chicken dinner video, but yeah, I cannot get. I played a lot of match, but also this was 3, so yeah, 3 means alive 3-1. Okay, there was 3 enemies. There was, I think, there was 2 enemies and I was 1. Okay, so I lose obviously, but I tried to kill him. He was prone and I was killing, but I should use M416 because it has 2x and it doesn't have more recoil. So yeah, I get M416 now. Now I've got a little bit of want to drink. I was not, so I just eat one painkiller. Eat, wait, eat, what? Yeah, not eat, okay? Drink, obviously. So now, yeah, we are badass, obviously. So I think your face was that. So yeah, that was my first M1v2 class. That was nice. If you like that 1v2 class, then please say in the comment section. Okay, that was nice, I guess. So I don't know what I was doing here. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. I don't want to be more caught, okay? So I was just becoming ammo, so I a little bit of caught now. So it's 10 minutes video. I don't want to make you long video. It was 11 minutes, so I was going for that houses, okay? And I tried to go for yeah. Okay, now it's alive 33. I have not get more kills now. I try to get, but yeah. Okay, I just go open now. I don't know why. There was no enemy, so yeah. Now I just want to talk, bring up voice and hello. But yeah. Hello. That was mistakenly, okay. I jump first, okay, and I don't know why, okay, my fire button go in my hand, so I just shoot, okay, and that 3 number also like scared, okay, but nothing happens, okay. But and I don't know, I just jumping, and I see a firing, but yeah, I hit him a lot, but yeah, last hit of my teammate and he got the kill. I am little bit of I heard and I don't know where he was, okay. I just going to it was red zone, okay, so I want to go first and I just see he hit him and I kill him, but yeah, see, oh man, I hit, but yeah, last my teammate. So yeah, what do I do? Nothing. So I was just coming here doing things. Okay, I will cut this scenes because yeah, I spend this in your time a lot of. So yeah, I will little bit of cut here. So yeah, I will meet why I don't do like these things. Yeah. I'm not putting these animation things, okay, so yeah, in cut things, so I heard some things, okay, so yeah, I open my 4x and just see it, okay, I don't know where, but yeah, it was coming from back, really back, okay, and I tried to kill him, he shoot me, and yeah, there was a squad by rushing us, oh man, there was hard time. Okay, so and yeah, now I just see it there is no one. So yeah, once again I come here. My friend was shooting. Okay, my friend was enemies ahead or be careful like that things. Okay, coming, you know. So now I once again open forest and see there's nothing, bro. There is nothing. See, there was a there's come. Okay, so now yeah. I shoot, but yeah, there was just that good thing. He once again come. I also want to see. Is there anything? I just want to reload first because yeah, I need to see that coming was just and once again two has I don't know. See, I was hitting the tree. See, I see the tree, but I don't know what I was doing. I was see. Okay, see, my friend was blocking. If I had a car 98. And if I had 3x, then I would knock. But I don't see my friend knock it. Now just see the footstep in the map, okay? One footstep like that. First I obviously smoke, okay? First smoke to revive him, obviously. Now see how many footsteps do it come. Yeah. 2. There is also 3. There's teammate. 4 footsteps. See? Wow! Minimap. Oh man. 4 footsteps and we are panic. Oh no. No, what do I do? Oh no. Okay, and they fight once again. They are fighting, and we are just sitting here. And the smoke also goes. And I don't know what teammate was throwing. We need to go to zone first. I just throw a net, but yeah. That net doesn't make any sense. But also to keep safety, I just throw so many footsteps and fighting. Wow. So I just see no one here. Should we jump? No. Because when I see in the mini map, okay, I will see, but not now. The zone is coming. Oh no. So we just jump and go to the zone. But yeah, when I was going to zone, the man prone, I also shoot him, but I should hit him with the M416. But also, now I pick up one second grenade and level 2 vest, obviously. Now, I have a lot of good clips, but I don't want to show that because I die so fast, okay? I try Erangel also, yeah, I died once again. And I give him a painkiller, see his health, okay? He was nice, but yeah, to boost us, it became full health to regeneration little bit. So, now firing coming. I once again want to open the scope. And yeah, now only see in that red thing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zone is coming now. Oh no. I see the zone. Oh no. See? And I am once again was in mid 10. I want to go, but I don't want to go. Okay, I was not brave to, go there. And my friend was also going there. So I was also little what? I'm a brave. So my friend also jumps. I also jump. Because yeah, we want to go to zone. Okay, but it doesn't see my friend also jump. So I also jumped. Okay. I want to do a pre-nade. If I get, but yeah, no. I think my friend was going to get there, but no. Now I also go there and see the enemy was prone. See, I shoot him also, see. But he prone and I don't know why he killed. But yeah, sorry.
1, 2,